Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a while since I had a video out. I've been pretty busy with things, and this is just a bit of a channel update of roughly what I've been up to. I've had a few camps with Carl, Hazard Outdoors, at his permission. We've done a lot of building work there as well. I filmed some of it, and some of that has been up. And I've done a few camps with some friends there as well. We had a bit of a YouTube gathering. We all camped in Lavus. But I didn't really film much there. I kind of lost my filming mojo for a bit, and I wasn't feeling it, and hopefully I'll get back into it again now. I want to be able to produce some good quality, interesting videos that people want to watch. Like I say, I kind of wasn't feeling it for a little while, and hoping to change that. And one of the things I don't want to get bogged down is regular releases, because I just can't maintain that. I was sort of aiming for one a month, and I've roughly done that, but I don't want to just put stuff out for the sake of it. I want to make it something that you guys want to watch. I want to enjoy making it, and I do have plans, but they're not going to be regular. But as for Carl's camp, we had a big Lavu get together. I say big, it was 4 of us. So there was Carl, Hazard Outdoors, Scoutman Steve, RJ Outdoors, that's Rob, and JJ, as in JJ Outdoors, and most of you know him already. And it was a good night, and I cooked again, which I end up doing, but I don't mind. But yeah, it was a lot of fun, but I just didn't want to film. I just wanted to relax and be in the moment. So you can't film everything. I had a family holiday back in September where me and my partner went to Yorkshire Dales and then Scotland, and again didn't film it because it was a family thing, but at the same time I did do a couple of little bits just when I was going to pretty spectacular places. And one was the Ribbleshead Viaduct, and then up onto Whernside. A few days later, when we were in Scotland, I did Ben Lomond, which is the first Munro I've ever done, and again that was awesome, and the weather was great for it. So good in fact that it was really still at the top, which I've never had before. When I've got to the top of a peak, it's always been really windy, so it was a bit weird, but very enjoyable. I've been working very hard on my level work and getting my Etsy shop up and running, and that's another reason for making this video, because it is going to be a bit of a shameless plug. I've had a few sales. I did very well out of the Bushcraft show with people I met who wanted things. I've also done a lot of custom orders. I did a knife sheath for Ash Outdoors, which I believe he's very happy with, and a few other things for other people, like knife sheaths and axe sheaths and things like that. But my main products, and this is the real plug bit. I've done this before, but I'm going to do it again. So I do these tinder pouches, which actually have tinder in. They have the toggles. They have birch bark, cramp balls, fat woods, things like that. This is the newest thing I do, which is I keep putting it in front of my face so it will focus on it. That is a axe loop for a belt. designed around a Groundsforce forest axe. I do these, which is a UCO lantern holder. I'm going to hold it in front of my face, so that goes in there, and there's also the screen for it there. So, left and right-handed Laplander sheaths, so depending which side of the belt you want it on. I only have the left-handed one, but there's left-handed Mora companion sheath. I have the right-handed one actually on my belt here. This one I use. So these, which are antler-handled large ferro rods. Let's do that, try and get that thing. So they have elasticated bungee cord and pull out there, and that could be used with your knife. These belt danglers have been one of the most popular things I've sold so far, in various colours, and they can be used alongside sheaves there, or for whatever you have in mind yourself. And last but not least, I have some patches with my logo on, which I don't know if anyone will ever want, but they're made up anyway. So yeah, I've really been going for it in my workshop, and hoping that there'll be some orders in for Christmas. There'll be a link to my Etsy shop in the description underneath this. So this is my shameless plug. Please go along, have a look, support me. I'm just a one-man band doing this, and everything's handmade. And I'm proud of what I do, and would really like it to take off. Like I said, there's just a little channel update and a catch up. I'm hoping to produce more videos. I'm also hoping to try and be a bit more natural behind the camera, because I'm aware I can be a bit wooden sometimes, and it's not natural for me to talk to a big black lens that's right in front of me. So it takes a bit of getting used to, and yeah, hopefully that can be more natural as time goes on. I want to produce good quality stuff for you guys and for me, because I want to be proud of what I do. Thank you all so much for your subscriptions, your continued support, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram. It means the world to me. I'm just a little guy in the bushcraft world, and trying to make my mark to some degree, and I really appreciate any interaction that I have with you guys, and it's been great to meet some of you when I was at the bushcraft show as well. I'm aware that I've been rambling for a little bit now, so I'm going to call it a day here, but thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.